we're gonna give Jolly Holiday a shot for lunch. And wonder of all wonders, found a spot to sit in the shade under the magnolia tree. Nice. Alrighty guys, it is 3:52. I have a 4:15 to 4:30 arrival time. So what is it, about 23 minutes? Up to closer to 40 minutes. We're gonna do a little mobile hack, see if we can't get that a little closer to right now. Boom, 2 minutes later, got it to now. Yes, I am here. 3:54, placed the order at 3:52. Mobile order hack to now. If you know, you know. For lunch, it is the Queso Birria toasted cheese sandwich. That is Queso Birria beef with cheese, salsa verde, and it comes with a side of consomme, and I got a bag of their house-made chips, cup of ice water. Let's get into this. I have had the beef bulgogi grilled cheese, the Korean style marinated beef with kimchi and whatnot. Boy, that's got a little cheese pull to it, but I haven't had this one yet. Cheers. Mmm. Woo. Wow. I got it without the consomme first. That is hot, fresh, nice melted cheese, very toasty sourdough. The beef is melt in your mouth, unbelievably juicy and tender. Nice flavor to it. Little spice, not hot, but got good spicy flavor to it. Let's give it a little dip in the consomme. Mmm. Oh my. That is loaded with flavor. Oh my gosh, it's hot. You want to talk about adding juiciness to your sandwich, that takes it over the top. Now, I've never had their house-made chips before. I don't think. Think like a thick kettle-cooked potato chip. Yeah, like there's crispy parts, but there's also sort of chewy parts. Salty, nicely seasoned. Oh, that's good. Hold on, let me let you get into this sandwich. Look at that. Look at all the spices and the juiciness. Look at the juices coming out of that. And the consomme, which is sort of what they're supposed to have stewed the beef in. And you see it's got a little bit of an oil slick on top. And look at these chips. Can you hear that? All right, let's get back into that sucker. Another dip, a little drip. Oh my goodness. So I really thought that the bulgogi grilled cheese, that was more of a winter thing, was one of the best eats in Disneyland Resort, both parks. This thing is loaded with beef, loaded with cheese, loaded with flavor. Unbelievably tender and juicy. It's absolutely spectacular. It's wonderfully delicious. And it might be, it's top 3, top 5 all day long for food in the Disneyland Resort. I'm gonna do another bite without the consomme. It's so good and juicy and tender just on its own. The consomme is nice because the sourdough, I don't know if this does this to you, sourdough bread when it's toasted like this can kind of wreck up the roof of your mouth. Dipping it in that consomme makes it just enough tender so that it doesn't do that. Man, I could eat these chips all day long. This is freaking fantastic. You know what? I'm gonna take a little sip of this consomme just because I can. Oh my God, wow. Holy shit, that is amazing. Oh, it's piping hot too. Wonderful, wonderful meal. Did I drink the consomme? You damn right I drank that consomme. Man, it got spicy there at the end. That was wonderful, wonderful meal.